Urmi Group intervenes with the perfect blend of openness to innovation and commitment toward environment. For more than 3 decades, Urmi Group has established itself as an epitome of exemplary quality and high efficiency. The strength of our company is distinctly evident as we continue to operate with top international brands of the world. In Urmi Group, everything we do is driven by our core values, that is, impact, which stands for integrity, mutual trust, passion for excellence, agility, customer focus, teamwork, and cooperation. And as we march forward, we focus on exploring the unexplored. We build our strength around the best quality polyester, polyamide, and acrylic fabrics. To assure the promise of uniqueness, we have an in-house design studio where local fashion designers work hand in hand with a top-level international expert.
In our design studio, we are employing at the moment 20 designers, which one are focused on activewear and sportswear. We're using our own research capacity to create and develop the latest trends in the fashion industry. This allows us to give our customers a big variety of products. Our future plan is to extend the design studio with more designers to reach more clients in North America and in Europe.
Our textile department stands as a pioneering establishment of lean management, and the ERP systems integrated with the Oracle financials and various production machines ensure real-time data processing, strengthening the achievement of our 5S objective. As we aim to build a smart factory, incorporating RFID technology for inventory and production provides us with better control and effective management in processes. Productivity and customer satisfaction reached a new milestone while we became the pioneer company with seamless knitting technology in Bangladesh. Our utmost commitment to the environment enables us to undergo eco-friendly mechanism, whereas the harmony of production efficiency, quality management remains intact. We specialize in various types of printing and embroidery with the assistance of leading-edge machineries.
We have introduced lean manufacturing system in our plant. This well-proven system increasing our productivity and efficiency. It also decreases our inventory and the workload. Everywhere we have the KPI dashboard. This KPI dashboard allowing them to see the daily progress and the challenges.
In the garment stitching sector, we are uncompromisingly geared for value addition with the help of our dedicated workers and modern technological support. Innovation continues to fuel productivity, while self-assigning machineries ensure precision in production line. The philosophy of lean management is well reflected in the use of the Kanban system, as it ensures an efficient flow of materials within the supply chain. Our competitive advantage in the global market is further ensured with the continuous introductions of unique equipment. The factory's intense focus on automation and thorough supervision is evident in every section of the production process, starting from inventory to the output packaging.
Importance of the automation is increase productivity, decrease our direct human labor cost, and increase the quality level of the product, as well as consistent improvement for the product too. And looking forward to go for Industry 4.0 in near future.
Urmi Group is now a family of more than 10,000 dedicated workers and 250 professionals who believe in continuous progress. Our vision of growth involves the workers and community as well. We emphasize on equity in workplace while ensuring a better life standard for them. We contribute to help the underprivileged demography to a great extent because we believe no one can grow alone. Our developmental measures and inclusive opportunities lead the workers to the pathway of concurrent and prosperity.
Continuous improvement is in the DNA of our organization. We strive hard to do better than what we have done yesterday. Our vision is to be the #1 preferred supplier of the top global brands. Our production facilities are eco-friendly and green, so we can live with a minimum carbon footprint in the environment. Urmi's success lies in the empowerment of people. We nurture them to take tomorrow's challenge.
With a view to make the world a better place for future, Urmi Group actively takes part in creating green ecological footprint. We ensure the preservation of environment by recycling natural resources in the best possible way. Our approach of reusing and synchronizing the machineries lead to a reduced rate of carbon emission as well. Our continuous progress is remarkably recognized by international certifications and prestigious awards both from home and abroad. We plan to rise by lifting all our stakeholders with the strength of integrity. Urmi Group, delivering excellence.